This drive is more than just a means to get from one city to another. It's an experience that encapsulates California's natural beauty and cultural richness. Whether you're a nature lover, a foodie, or an adventure seeker, this scenic route promises memories that will last a lifetime. As you approach Los Angeles, the San Gabriel Mountains come into view. This range is part of the larger Angeles National Forest and features peaks that rise sharply above the city, providing opportunities for hiking and outdoor activities. The mountains are often capped with snow in winter, adding to their majestic appearance. Costaic Lake is another beautiful reservoir that offers recreational opportunities such as fishing, swimming, and hiking. The lake is framed by hills and provides a scenic backdrop for outdoor enthusiasts. The combination of mountain ranges and tranquil lakes along this route enhances the natural beauty of the drive, making it not just a journey but an exploration of California's diverse landscapes. Each turn offers new vistas that showcase the state's unique geography, from rugged cliffs to serene waters.
However, the drive through these mountains with 6-lane roads to Los Angeles, a place known for Hollywood movies, is a memorable experience. Thank you very much for watching this short clip. You can visit my YouTube channel Travelvideotips. Subscribe the channel for more beautiful travel videos and learning photography techniques. Thank you once again.